We are continuing with lesson 20. This is video E, going from lines 872 to 877. We are continuing to talk about the younger Marcellus and now his death also. Quantos ille virum magnum mavortis ad urbem campus aget gemitus, vel quae Tiberine videbis funera cum tumulum praeter labere regentem. What groans, these are accusative, gemitus is fourth declension, accusative plurals, what groans, connect those, will, this is future, aget, will that campus, will that field, so those go together, and this means the field of Mars, the campus Martius, in which the military would assemble and oratory and funerals would occur. So in this case, the funerals for the younger Marcellus are going to happen at the campus Martius, and there's a mausoleum for him there, a tomb. So here we go. We got what groans will that field drive to the great city of Mars? So here we get the Martius part, the campus Martius. We know that's what we're talking about. And by the way, virum, I forgot that. That's really virorum, genitive. To get the or in there. Doesn't look so good. Virorum. So we want to say, what groans of men will that field drive to the city, and that's accusative with to, direction toward, to the great city Mavortis, another genitive, of Mars, meaning Rome, because of his death. This is describing Marcellus's funeral. Or, what funerals you will see, O Tiber. Now we're addressing the Tiber, so this is vocative, this is the Tiber River he's addressing. So this is apostrophe, addressing someone or something that's not there for dramatic effect. Or what funerals, those are accusative, neuter, or what funerals you will see. Now the future, Tiber, so the subject is to. Cum, when, you praeter labere, when you glide past, a compound verb, labere, to glide, slip, and praeter, past, when you glide past his fresh tomb. So our verb is praeter labere, and this is an alternate form of praeter laberis, and so it's second person singular, and then tumulum regentem, fresh tomb, is accusative singular. And that's the tomb of Marcellus. This mausoleum that Augustus built for his family was completed a few years before his death. Nec puer Iliaca quisquam de gente Latinos in tantum spe tolet avos, nec Romula quondam ullo se tantum telus jactabit alumno. Nec, and not, and then you have another one here, nor, so this is like neither nor. Nec, neither will any boy, quisquam puer, nominative singular, neither will any boy from de gente Iliaca, from Ilian, which means Trojan, from Trojan race, and I'm looking for the verb here, tolet, raise the Latinos avos, the Latin fathers or ancestors, those go together, in tantum, into such greatness, into such a great thing, Spe, ablative, by hope, meaning by hope of how great Marcellus will be. So it reads a little roughly, or translates a little roughly, but let's do it again. Neither will any boy from Trojan race raise the Latin fathers, or really it's like grandfathers, ancestors, into such greatness by hope or in hope. Nor will the Romulan, meaning Roman, earth or land, nor will the Roman land Yaktabit, toss itself, which means to boast, toss itself about. Literally, Yaktabit means toss, right? And toss itself. Neither will the Romulan land, same as saying Roman land, toss itself about. And we have tantum again, so much, in any child. Alumno is properly a foster child. Look at Farr's vocabulary, but here we could just say child. Alumno. And then quodam usually refers to the past, but here, since everything is projected to the future, it goes with the future, ever. So translate that as ever. Usually it would be once, as in like once upon a time, once in the past, but here we have ever. So let's do that one more time. Nor will the Romulan land ever toss itself about, meaning boast, so much in any child. This is a nice juxtaposition here. We got Iliaca and Latinos and Romula. Trojan, Latin to Roman. Nice progression showing where the Romans come from, mentioning all these races here in Marcellus. He's identifying them in Marcellus. So one more time. And neither will any boy from Trojan stock or race lift the Latin ancestors into such greatness by hope, meaning of him, of his, the greatness that he'll bring. Nor will the Roman land ever toss itself about, boast in itself so much as in any son. One more time with the Latin. Quanto sile virum magnum mavortis ab urbem, campus aget gemitus, vel quae Tiberine videbis, funera cum tumulum praeter labere recentem. Nec puer Iliaca quisquam de gente Latinos in tantum spe toleravos, nec Romula quodam ullo se tantum telus jactabit alumno. Just a reminder that we are using all future tense here. Aget, third conjugation future, the ameset. Videbis from video, second conjugation. Praeter labere, short for laberis. Also tolet is future, and jactabit is future. Jacto, jactare, a first conjugation. And of these lines about Marcellus, just a little note to add. Historically, they supposedly, as tradition goes, Vergil read them in person. He was supposed to have been a very good reader of his poetry. He read them for Augustus and Octavia, Marcellus's mother, who is said to have fainted and been difficult to revive when she heard these lines about her son who had passed.